welcome back to my channel. I just want to first thank everyone for all of their support thus far. If you've been liking some of the content I've been putting out, please hit the like button down below. Also, subscribe to your girl's channel. I appreciate all of your support. Today, I'm going to be doing my eyebrow routine. Yes, let's get into these eyebrows. These are my eyebrows. Without this on, I have no eyebrows, honey. So this is how I do my eyebrows. If you'd like to see more and see how I do my eyebrows, please stick around. So the products that I use to do my brows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color Ebony. And I also use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. I use this as a concealer to just clean up my brows. And then the tools I use these 4 brushes here. So I use this brush, angled brush, to actually apply the dip brow. I use this angled brush to clean up the brows with concealer. And then I use these 2 spoolies from Morphe. I use these spoolies to clean up my brows. So those are the things I use to actually, the tools I use on my brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the actual tutorial. First, you want to clean your brow. So I just take this spoolie and clean up my brows. As you can see, I have no brows. I don't have any brows without filling them in. Look how sparse my brows are. So I just clean them up and just make sure all of my hairs are pretty much straight. Then I'm gonna go in with my angle brush. And really, you have to know the shape of your brow. So, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows now. I'm just taking small strokes to create the lining of my brow or the shape of my brow. So just take small strokes. And what I do, I make sure that my brows are darker on the end, but I'm a little bit lighter on the front of my brow. So towards the end of my brow, I apply the product a little bit more thick on the ends, and then I keep it pretty light in the front. And then first of all, this takes a lot of concentration, so it's hard for me to talk while I'm actually doing my brows, but you all see. I angle the brush at the top, or the tip of my brow here. I angle it up and kind of just dab. Again, girl, I have no brows. I have no brows. I have to fill my brows in order for me to have some brows. So my eyebrows just blend in with my skin so much that I don't have any brows. If you don't have any brows either and you have to fill yours in, let me know. It's struggle. But yeah, so I'm going to my other brow just so you can see it one more time. You can see it again. And really what I'm doing, I'm just shaping the brow. So I'm shaping the outside, the bottom, and then I'll go and make a shape at the top, and then I fill it in. So I'm gonna fill in the top and connect. What I always learn is your brows are not twins, they're sisters. So they're never gonna be exactly the same. So keep that in mind. You know, people try to make both of their eyebrows completely perfect. They're not always gonna look the same. So you know, keep that in mind. Okay, so now my brows look kind of close and they look kind of crazy, but we're gonna fix it. Then I take my angled brush for concealer and I put some of that concealer on there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my brow. So now I'm gonna take my spoolie and clean the front of the brow up. And you see how when I go with the spoolie, it makes the front lighter. I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush to clean up the concealer around my eyebrow. So here are my brows, completely finished. I will say this, practice makes perfect. I did not just learn this overnight. Like, it took practice, especially with the brow gel. If you are a beginner, you are gonna wanna start out with the Anastasia Brow Pencil. And that's a little bit easier for beginners. The gel is, I will say, a little bit more advanced, because if I would have never done my brows before and I started with the gel, I would be struggling. It would be a struggle bus. So I would encourage any beginners to definitely use the Anastasia Brow Pencil. Hold on, I think I might have that. Hold on. Okay, I do have it. The product's gone, but this is what you would want to start with. If you're a beginner, I encourage you to use the Anastasia Brow. It's called the Brow Definer, and I use a color ebony. If you can tell, it's an angled brow pencil, so it's easy to apply. So if you are a beginner, I encourage you to use that, but I definitely am loving this Anastasia Brow Gel as well. So here are my brows. No makeup on, don't judge me, but this is my brow routine. Yeah, that's it. This is my brow routines. I appreciate everyone's support. Let me know what kind of content you would like to see. And again, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.